I have the privilege of being the first Kenyan to ride the Desert Yellow DSX. Inaitwa Desert Yellow. Wanaita Desert Yellow. That is the Voge DSX 625 Desert Yellow. This is what they call Desert Yellow. It's a very popular color, especially in the Europe. They love this color so much. This is the 625. They have upgraded this bike from the Voge DSX 525. The 2025 model is coming with a 625 engine, 270 crankshaft degree. It is sounding totally different from the one that we had earlier on. The exhaust is pretty much the same, but at the head they have removed some metal mesh that was here and replaced it with some plastic, and this is carbon fiber. We have some carbon fibers here. This is pure carbon fiber, and this bike is coming with 3 boxes. They have tried to maintain the same look of the 525. The suspension is the same, the wheel, the body, plastics. They have upgraded this headlight to something that is giving you some Vogue logo. This is the logo of the Vogue company. Yeah, it's giving you some good vibes. And they have also changed the way the cluster looks like. They have changed, I think, the software, because the dashboard looks like the same, but the software running this thing is different. They have changed the buttons. This is not how the 525 was looking like. This is not how it was looking like. These are new buttons. They have maintained the crash cable. They have not upgraded it to the hydraulic. This is still the cable. The throttle is not throttle by wire. It is still the two cables, the throttle and the return. They have tried to maintain the 525 vibe, but now this one is more powerful because it's pushing some more horsepower, around 62 horsepower from the 45 we had earlier on. So this one is feeling much better, much better, because the power to weight ratio has been worked on, and it's feeling much better. We are just doing the assembly and the testing today at the dealership's warehouse, and I have the privilege of being the first Kenyan to ride the Desert Yellow DSX. Actually, I am the first Kenyan. Yeah. And maybe in East Africa, maybe, I'm just saying, maybe in East Africa, I might be the first person to ride the Desert Yellow. So I'm so privileged. I'm so privileged. I also happened to be the first Kenyan to ride the Vogue Rally 800. And I really appreciate, I thank God for it, because it is a chance that doesn't come a lot of times. So this one is the 625 Desert Yellow version. Vogue from Lonsin, they are doing some nice stuff. Really incredible stuff. So let's hear what this thing is feeling like. Just a few road tests here and there to make sure the bike is okay. That sound of the 270-degree crankshaft, so nice. This thing is so powerful. The power to weight ratio is perfect. Like 62 horsepower, I feel it so much, because the bike is quite light. Look at this. It's quite a powerful bike. Quite a very powerful bike. Quite some incredible motorcycle here from Lonsin Vogue. It's nice.